Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This one is 20 layers pen racks. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length will be 20.5 inches wide and 26 inches in the depth. And the overall height for the racks will be 69.5 inches tall. As we can see, they have a total 4 wheels at the bottoms. They have a lockers, and also they're having about 20 shelvings for these units. And for the rack space, it's about 25 inches for the shelvings and 18 inches in the width. And between each layers about 3 inches. This will be the all information about these products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.